How to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. So that is pretty not possible on Instagram, but here I can give you a solution or workaround for this so that your story does not stay longer on your Instagram. All you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now here, tap on the plus icon or simply swipe it to the left hand side and upload a story. You can simply scroll and look from your gallery, or you can also tap on the camera icon available there and take the picture. Now, once I took the picture, I can edit it. I can simply write down anything as a text or keep an emoji. Now, once done so, obviously you will need to keep on the story first in order to add it to your highlight. Now, all you have to do is tap on the story once it is uploaded. Once you tap on this story, all you have to do is tap on the three dot more icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will get to see options. Tap on the highlight and highlight it immediately. You can also give them a name. And once you add it to your profile, you can also go and check on it. Now, once you check on it, go back to the story as soon as possible. Now tap on the three dot more icon at the bottom right corner. And once you tap on it, you will get to see options available. Now tap on the archive and archive this story immediately. Now what happens? The story is removed but highlight remains. You can check if the story has been removed or not and the highlight stays or not. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.